In the name of Allah, the most merciful and benevolent. This worldly life is nothing but fun and amusement, and far better is the eternal abode for those who are God conscious. So then, why don't you use your brains? Translation of Quranic verse number 32, Surat Anaam. Dear listeners, Assalamu alaikum. Here in this verse, the worldly life has been described as some sort of an amusement and entertainment, as compared to the life of the hereafter. Now, as far as this life is concerned, according to Allah and according to our faith, it's temporary. In fact, it's a stage set for us to enact. Depending on how good we perform in here, we will be receiving the awards on the Judgment Day. If we are intelligent enough, we can grasp the fact easily that whenever we plan a trip to visit somewhere, we concentrate on the purpose of that visit. We don't while away or waste our time there. Don't overspend or spend unnecessarily. Even if we rest or enjoy later on, using the trip for work and pleasure purposes at the same time, we always take care that the work never gets hampered due to the pleasure. Isn't it so? Now, when we apply the same rule on our life here and the hereafter, why is it so that it's not appreciated or even accepted by others around us? Well, because we don't take our hereafter seriously. We are so impatient that waiting for the rewards for a long time seems a far-fetched idea. So we concentrate on short-term solutions, even if we have to trade our millions and trillion years of future for a very short present lifespan. Besides being impatient, we are greedy too. We want all that is here in this world for ourselves. So much so that we don't even want to lend it to anyone or share it with others what belongs to us. Though we all know that how short our lives are here in this world, we get deprived of our youth so fast and mature so early that very soon we get old. We know this world has just been granted to us for a specific reason, to think and act here and produce something for our hereafter, like, for instance, a piece of barren land where we sow seeds to make them grow into plants for the next season. If you don't sow the seeds, the plants won't grow. Or, for an example, when we don't work hard enough and try to produce a good movie, certainly neither would there be any good reviews nor any awards for it. Similarly, if we don't enact our role in here while we are alive, and there won't be any deeds registered in our name, then surely there won't be any results, good or bad. So, according to Allah the Almighty, who has created us and this whole universe, we have to treat this world as our workshop, or rather as a factory, to produce for our hereafter, relaxing from time to time so that we gather our energies for the next task, and deriving pleasure at intervals as an added perk or bonus. May Allah guide us through and through towards our eternal abode, the Jannah, and save us from any penance along the path. Amen. Thanks for listening.